Two airplanes. One smiled brightly, the other looked broken. But when things went wrong, only one truly flew. At the world's busiest airport, two gigantic airplanes stood silently. One sparkled like gold, the other looked worn and sad. People smiled at the shiny one, ignoring the poor one completely. The White Cat airplane looked perfect. Smiling face, golden lights, everyone rushed to board it. But inside, it was cold. One small girl stopped. She saw the black plane's eyes, kind and tired. She whispered to her mom, "I want to go on that one." Suddenly, something went wrong. The White Cat airplane had engine failure before takeoff. People panicked. The smiles disappeared. The old, ignored Black Cat plane started its engines. Ready, powerful, waiting with love. Now everyone realized their mistake. They rushed toward the black plane, full of hope and regret. The Black Cat airplane soared through the skies. Not shiny, not fancy, but full of love. Because what matters is what's inside.
Ama